of the machine learning. So we will discuss one more example also in the same scenario, autonomous vehicle problem. We are going to classify what is a task, what is a performance, and what is the experience E. So when we take a autonomous vehicle problem, the task T is nothing but driving on a highway or roads using the vision sensor. So I showed one picture of a girl. She is relaxing in the car, and the mode of the car is a autopilot mode, which means that she will not do anything with the car. She will not drive it automatically. Automatically, the machine is trained to drive on the road by using some of the vision sensors, machine learning, artificial intelligence applications. Everything is there. So when we classify that, the T is termed as a driving on a public road using the sensor. And what is the performance? P is classified percentage of the time that the vehicle is involved in an accident is a performance, and experience will be images, a sequence of images and steering commands recorded while observing a human driver. So experience means like we can take the machine that learns from the past experience. So if the vehicle which goes beyond the limit of the speed, sometimes it may crash with the other vehicle. So what one or two times the machine can experience this kind of accidents also. So the machine will be learning. The machine will learn. So next time we should not cross the speed limit. So this is what the machine is learning from the experience. So that is termed as E. So this is some of the example to understand the formal definition. Now I'll go back with the previous 2 slides and I'll explain this. Now you will understand a computer program is said to learn with experience E with some of the task T, and the performance is measured with P. So whenever we give any task to the machine will get experience and it has to give you the performance. This is very simple to understand about the machine learning. So few more examples also there. Handwriting recognition learning problems. Now I'm going to explain about only the types of machine learning and what are all the examples which comes under the types of machine learning. Okay, so machine learning is broadly classified into 3 types. One is supervised, unsupervised, the other one unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So the supervised learning, the machine is trained with the labeled data. So whenever you give any labeled data to the machine, it is called a supervised learning, which is a task driven. When I say unsupervised learning is the machine is trained with unlabeled data sets. So when we give labeled data set, it is a supervised learning. When we give unlabeled data set, it is a unsupervised learning. What is the one more? The unsupervised learning is a data driven. Supervised is task driven. It will be purely based on the task, and the unsupervised learning will be purely based on the data. And the third classification is reinforcement learning, which is learning from the past experience. Learn from mistakes. These are all the 3 classifications of machine learning. Now I will explain about what are all the different categories that comes under the supervised learning, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Supervised learning is further classified into 2 types. One is the classification, other one is the regression, and unsupervised learning is classified into dimensionality reduction, clustering, and the reinforcement learning is classified into reinforcement learning. We don't have any classification, we have only the reinforcement learning. So supervised learning classification, from the name we can say classification, which is going to classify something. Okay, so these are all the examples. These are all examples: fraud detection, email spam detection, diagnostics, image classifications. These are all we can take it as an example for the classification. And under the regression, risk management, score prediction. So supervised, the machine is going to train with the labeled. I'm going to give some set of data which is already labeled. Then I'm telling my machine to train this data to learn applying some of these algorithm, classification algorithm, regression algorithm, and it is going to give you the output. So fraud detection, these are all examples of classification and the regression. Then when we go to unsupervised learning, it's a dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction, we have text mining as an example, face recognition, big data visualization, image recognition. So these are all the examples of dimensional reduction. Then the other one is the clustering. Clustering, we know that which we are going to group based on the biology, city planning, targeted marketing. So unsupervised learning is classified into two types. And then reinforcement learning, learning from the experience, gaming. So games and all, we have to learn from the experience. So for example, we discussed about the chess, how to guess the next move, and we need to learn the best move, like that. Okay, finance sector, the finance we cannot predict, which may go higher, which may go low also. So learn from the experience. Okay, manufacturing, inventory management, robot navigation. These are all the few examples of different types of machine learning. So the detailed study about the supervised learning and unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning, I'll be explaining you in the next video. Thank you.